Welcome back to Curiosity Made Me Wonder.
Here's a question that has puzzled millions of people around the world. If Pluto was a planet over 70 years, why isn't it considered one anymore? Did something happen to Pluto? Did it shrink? Or did scientists simply change their minds? Let's find out. So our story begins in 1930 when a young astronomer named Sida Thunberg discovered a tiny world far beyond Neptune. It was named Pluto, and for decades, students around the world learned that our solar system had 9 planets. But as technology improved, astronomers began discovering more and more icy objects in the same distance region of space where Pluto orbits. Some were surprisingly similar to Pluto, and one of them, called Iris, was even slightly more massive. This created a big problem. If Pluto was a planet, then should Iris also be a planet? And what about many other similar objects waiting to be discovered? To solve this commotion, astronomers met in 2006 and agreed on a clear definition of what makes a planet. A planet must orbit the Sun. It must have enough gravity to become nearly round or spherical. And most importantly, it must have cleared its orbital neighborhood, meaning its gravity dominates the region around its orbit. Pluto meets with the 2 requirements, but it doesn't meet with the 3rd. Instead of dominating its orbit, it shares that region with countless icy objects in the Kuiper belt. Because of that, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. So, Pluto wasn't kicked out because it became smaller or less important. It was reclassified because scientists adopted a more precise definition of what a planet is. And although it's no longer one of the solar system's 8 major planets, Pluto remains one of the most fascinating worlds we've ever discovered.
This has been Curiosity Made Me Wonder.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in our next episode, we'll answer another fascinating question. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun? Until next time, stay curious.